Alright, so today I'm gonna be showing you how you can clean your PS5 like a pro. So it's been almost 4 years since I have cleaned my PS5, and you can see there's all kind of dust collecting on it, and you guys are already aware of the condition of my PS5. So I finally decided to clean it and to make a video about it. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to clean a PS5 properly. So you guys can see my PS5 is a disaster right now, and it's been almost 4 years, and I tried to clean it from the outside by removing the side panels, but today we are gonna be literally just unscrew the PS5, get inside of the PS5, not in a bad way, by the way, and we're gonna be cleaning it because I have a few cats, and you guys know that the cat hair get stuck inside the fan into the vents, so that's what I'm planning to remove. So first of all, you guys know you need to remove the side panels. If you guys don't know how to do that, there are plenty of videos outside of my YouTube, and the easiest way to is just pull and push down from the PlayStation logo on the side panel. That works always for me. And if you want to clean the fan, you're gonna have to do it from the other side, so it should be this one right here. And also there's one way to remove the side panel, is to just hit it on from the top, just like this. I'll show you. There you go. And I find this the easiest way to remove the side panel on the old PlayStation 5, not the slim one. I have no idea how the slim one works, but that's the only way. And after you've removed the side panels, you need to have the security screw. I think it's T3 or something, I'm not quite sure the name, but I'll show you on the screen right now on the camera which one exactly it is. And my screwdriver kit was a complete mess, so I had to just try to find it, and it took me like 15 minutes to get the perfect one, the right one. So it should be looking just like this. So this one I think not gonna work. And when I was actually recording this video, I tried like multiple screws, and there's one specific thing on the PlayStation screws. There's a dot in the middle of the screws, so that was a pain. So it should be looking like this. I don't know if my camera can zoom on it, focus on it. I'm not quite sure. I hope you guys can see it. I know you guys can't see it. I'll just put a picture on the screen, by the way. So what I was saying was there is like a small dot on every screw. I don't know why Sony does that, but that was like literally just pain to open that while having that small dot in every screw. So I kind of just removed those dots by a knife, by the way. So I'm not gonna show you that because I don't want you guys to ruin your PlayStation screws, but for me that was the only way, since I had the normal screwdriver for those screws, the one that Sony use. And I think Sony is somewhat like Apple, using proprietary screws. So that's not something that companies should do. As an average consumer, I would say that, because those screws are not so easy to open if you're just trying to clean your PS5. And also, no, you will not lose warranty by cleaning your PS5 this way. You don't have to remove any stickers. You don't have to remove anything that can possibly avoid your warranty. So this is like completely safe way to actually clean your PS5 without losing warranty. And my PS5 is already out of warranty, so I couldn't care less about that. So there's also one more thing. You have to remove this vent that is on the side. So without that, you cannot remove the top 2 screws of the fan vent, whatever you call it. But I forgot to do that, and I had to watch a video about how to access those screws. And what I found was I actually have to remove that whatever you call it. I call it a vent. I mean, it kind of looks like a vent. So yeah. And after removing the screws, it's gonna be pretty simple from that. And also I removed the cable of the fan, but trust me, you don't have to do it. This fan right here, this plug, because sometimes it do get messed up. You might rip the total connector off, and then your PS5 is gonna be really unusable. So do it at your own risk, but I would not recommend you to do that. I did it, but for you guys, I certainly do not want you to ruin your PS5. So as you can see, the condition of the fan after 4 years, it's literally have like a thick layer of dust. And I'm just gonna get to my phone. I mean, that's what I did when I was recording it. I used my phone to record from the inside, so you guys will see the amount of dust, cat hair, and I don't know what you guys call it, the dust bunnies, right? I mean, that's what people call it. So there was like so much dust bunny collected on the fan. So there we go. You guys can see it's looking like a desert on the inside. I cannot tell you guys how much clogged my PS5 was, and that's why it was keep turning off when I was playing any game, even Fortnite, GTA 5, and especially in Overwatch. It was like 15 minutes in the game and my PS5 just shuts off without any warning. So I decided to just actually clean it, and there you go. This dust bunny I'm talking about, this is like a whole layer of that. So if you own a PS5 for like 3 or 4 years, just like I have, you guys really have to clean it this way, or else you might overheat your PS5 and it might do some serious damage. So after you clean your vents, and I don't think so you need to open any further after this, because the main point is the heatsink and the fan. So there you go. And I kind of used a vacuum cleaner to do that, since I was not planning to open my PS5 after this, and some people actually do that because they're professionals, but as an average consumer, I would not want to do that and mess up my PS5. So I just used a nice vacuum. So the least I can do is clean the vents of my PS5, so my PS5 gets a little bit cooler than it's already doing. And it was making a lot of sound, by the way, and after I've done the cleaning, the sound was not even that. And this is the pin that I would not recommend you guys to remove, but I took a risk. And also the fan condition was really bad. Just look here what I did. I just did it twice, and there was like so much dust. And after all of that, I kind of forgot to record the screwing part of the PlayStation. I mean, that kind of sounds a little bit naughty, screwing. So anyway, so after that, you just want to have to put everything back, put the fan back if you have removed it, put all the screws, and make sure you know which screw goes where, because all 4 screws are like different sized. I don't know why, but it is how it is. And you can simply just screw your PS5 from there, pack it, cover it up again with the side covers, side panels, and you will be good to go. And that's how you clean your PS5 like a pro. Open it, clean it, close it again. I'm not going to use any of these fancy terms, but yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.